What's up, everybody? John from Old Reading Farm here. Thanks for joining us. In today's video, it's a very exciting day. So in the last video, we finished the catch pen for the lady alpacas. And in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put up the shade sails that we've been waiting to put up for more than a year now. So that's exciting. We also, this morning, took out all of the butterfly bushes that are here. We actually planted them over at my mother-in-law's house. So hopefully they survive. I also forgot my ladder, so I'm gonna have to go get that, but I'll show you kind of what I'm gonna do right now anyway. Currently we got Silver out there taking a little nap. All right, so we bought these shade sails last year or potentially even the year before because they were on sale like 90% off or something from some store. I don't remember exactly where Kat got them, but she was out riding around. And so this is one of the shade sails. It comes with all the hardware we need, which is always a bonus. But so remember, we put in these big posts. And so basically what I'm gonna do is we go into our nice new catch pen. It's so very nice. It's so great. Functional gates, no more cattle panels. Love it. But anyway, so because basically what I'm gonna do is, we're gonna have one shade sail over this area here. And so I'm gonna attach to the rafters in either corner there to this post and that post. And I'll have it maybe be like well, there's a lot of bugs in there. I'll have it be maybe like a slight downward angle one of the ways. We'll see how it goes, because I think it's gonna probably end up that these posts, not even pointing at a post, that these posts are a little taller than the tip of the rafter there. And then on this side, since the rafter comes down so far, I was thinking that I would put something here to tie onto, but maybe I'll actually just have it go up that way and have it lean towards the barn. I know obviously that's not how like you build a house or anything, but these are just shade sails. I'll also have to see how this goes, because I had talked about connecting from this rafter here to this post for the shade sail that's gonna go where I'm standing now, but I don't know if it's gonna be enough of an angle. So I may actually have to put a little arc coming off this way to give it some more distance from the barn in order for it to work. But so it's actually pretty cool. So this is I don't know. So it comes with all the hardware and some rope also. And you can either, it's got these little, I don't know if you can see, but this thing right here is actually a tap-in threaded insert. So you can like drill a hole and then you push that thing into it and then you can screw the bolt in after that. But I also have these, which I'll probably use over that. So just screw in eye hooks that I'll put into the posts. And then it's got turnbuckles so you can make it nice and tight. And yeah, so I'm excited to see how this comes out. The ladies are also very excited, as you can see. But yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna get started on this. I'm gonna go grab my ladder and I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, so I have some curious alpacas trying to see what's going on. Macy, how you doing? You excited for shearing?
No.
All right, so I got these hanging up now in the 4 front posts here. So there's a little like shackle to sort of hold the rope in there. And then I guess this rope is gonna go to the corners here. And so it's actually pretty nice. So they have these little D-rings that are stitched in to the side here. And so I guess, and I'm not looking at the instructions here, this is pretty much like straightforward. So they have these turnbuckles so that once you hook it on there, you can tighten it. So I think what I'll do is, I guess we got to put these turnbuckles on all the ropes, and then I'll sort of loosely put the shackles on there, and then I'll go through and sort of pull the strings to get this tight, and then, God, this is sounding more complicated than I thought it was gonna be, but that's okay. So once I get it on there, I'll put the turnbuckle on, and then I'll get it like sort of tight, and I'll tighten the shackles, and then I'll have to go around and tighten all the shackles on all 4 of them once I get them all hung up. And then once I have them basically loosely fit together, you know, like sort of like when you're putting together something with bolts, or like when I was putting my sawmill together, you sort of finger tighten everything until you get it all set, and then you shake it all down, make sure it fits well, and that's when you tighten the bolts. So that's sort of what I'm gonna do here, and hopefully it works out. All right, so we are a go. As you can see, it's not quite maybe as tight as I would like it, but it's probably good to have some give, because I'm sure you can hear and see the wind blowing right now. But so this should be pretty good. It's nice because I can stand under it, and there's no threat of me being hit by it, so hopefully the alpacas won't be too scared of it. That's my only concern, is just that it may be a little bit much. But the great thing about this is that this is gonna give them like way more space to get out from the rain, because usually when it rains, they all go in the barn. And granted, at this point, you know, the number we have, they do actually all fit in there. But now, you know, when it's super hot, they have another place that they can get out of the sun. This should provide some rain. I mean, obviously it's not gonna it's not meant for rain, it's meant for sun. Is that one all tightened? Yeah, so anyway, so this is pretty cool. And maybe we'll go now and just spend some time with the alpacas, take a look at them, and see what's going on. So there's a couple, it actually, the whole system with the little shackles and the turnbuckle was actually perfect, because then you can take like the tag end of this and then you can sort of tighten it down and then just do some tightening as you go. So that's really cool. Yeah, now just looking forward to those warm, hot, sunny days when this can actually be utilized. Anyway, let's go say hi to the alpacas. Hi, ladies. So you can see these guys are definitely ready for a shear. Coco Loco, little man over there. Yeah, everybody always asks us, hey, like, what do you do with those alpacas? Honestly, this is kind of it. Hi, Cinnamon. Are you pregnant? No. It's okay, you don't have to move. Hi, Maple. Look at little Aspen down here. Aspen is actually looking forward to shearing day. She's gonna no longer have a little bobblehead haircut. She's gonna get a big girl haircut this year, just like her mom. But then Coco, this little guy, he's gonna end up with the bobblehead haircut, the Kriya cut. What do you guys think? Ready for shearing day? No, they're really not looking forward to it, but it's like one of those things. They're much happier right after they get shorn, because the second that all of them get shorn, they go run and roll around in the dirt. Right, Silver? Mags. Hey, Cooks. You ready for shearing day? No? All right, well, that's fine. So that actually looks pretty good from here. I mean, obviously it's not great, you know, with all this freaking wind. It's also interesting, the wind is coming from this direction, which usually it comes from behind me. It's an interesting wind pattern for up here, because there's that big hay field over there. So usually the wind comes flying over that way. But anyway, so that looks pretty good. I think that'll certainly do the trick. And man, how about this catch pen, huh? Whew. Fancy a schmancy. So that's gonna do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed a little hanging out with the alpaca time. That's always good, right? And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time when hopefully it's 80 degrees, 75. That'd be nice. See you guys later.